That looks pretty cool.
What's going on, guys? Quick video. So I have to take this whole rocker panel off on this Humvee. It has some damage. You take it off, fix it, put it back on, and I have to take all these rivets out. So I was just drilling out the heads of the rivets, and I think I found an easier way. So if you're having problems getting these rivets out, take a punch. Well, first put on some glasses. Take a punch. Inside the rivet there's a little pin. We're gonna knock that pin out through the back, just like that. Take our drill bit. Gonna line it up inside that hole where the pin just was. We're gonna drill a little bit. We don't want to drill through and actually hit the sheet metal behind it. We just want to drill out the head of the rivet enough to weaken it. Take a chisel. Again, make sure you're wearing glasses. These keep hitting me in the face, so we're gonna remove the head of this rivet. Just like that. If it's not coming out easy, you might have to drill a little bit more. And then you might be okay, but I'm gonna knock out the remaining part of that rivet right here. And there you go. Now do that like 100 times, and you could pull this rocker panel off.
There we go. That looks pretty cool.
At first, my plan was to take this rocker panel off and kind of hit it out with some body working hammers, but it was a little bit too far gone for my abilities. So I ended up buying a whole new body from one of my friends locally, and it was actually cheaper to buy a whole new body than it would have been to just buy the driver and passenger rocker panel from Mac Motors. So it all worked out, and now I have some spare parts too for future projects, or if any of my friends need some spare parts for their Humvees. What I did next is remove the top and the troop seats in the back. They added a lot of weight to the body, and with these rocker panels off, the body lost a lot of rigidity. So I didn't want things to be out of whack when I am installing these new panels. I also made a jig that maintains the distance between the A and B pillar. So once again, I don't want to be installing these new panels, get it done, and then the door doesn't fit. So in the next video, you guys will see the full installation process. And hopefully after that, we'll be painting up this truck, then doing some of the maintenance, and then make a couple videos having some fun with it. So stay tuned for those videos, and I'll see you in the next one.